In today's video, I am going to teach you how to activate real-time market data in your trading platform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on live quotes for stocks, futures, and crypto, and how to choose the option that makes the most sense for your setup and budget. Let's start with the most reliable path for equities and futures. Direct subscriptions. Open your profile, head to Account and Billing. Then find Market Data. Here, you can subscribe to specific exchanges, such as Nasdaq or NYSE. Typically for a few dollars per minute on each, choose only the venues you actually trade on. Data is sold per exchange, so here is no need to pay for coverage you don't use. After selecting the exchanges, confirm your non-professional status if prompted. Complete the checkout, and give the system a moment to apply the entitlements. If your charts still show delayed data at first, a quick refresh or sign out and back in usually does the trick. Keep in mind that pricing and availability can vary by region and over time. So always review the current listing before you finalize. If you already have a funded brokerage account, you may be able to get real-time data at no extra cost through a broker connection. Open the trading panel, choose your broker, and connect your account. Once linked, the platform can stream live quotes provided through your broker's market data entitlements. The key here is that your broker account must be active and funded, and you need the correct market permissions enabled on the broker's side. Not every broker covers every exchange, so if a symbol still looks delayed, double-check which data packages your broker includes and whether they're enabled for your account. When it works, this route is seamless and cost-effective, especially if you are already trading through that broker. For cryptocurrency, the good news is simple. Most crypto symbols stream in real time on the free plan. Because crypto markets are decentralized and many exchanges publish live feeds, you can typically pull up a crypto chart and see up to the second pricing without any extra subscriptions. If you notice a delay, confirm you are viewing a pair from an exchange that provides real-time data on your plan, and switch to another venue if needed. To wrap up, you have 3 clear paths: subscribe to the specific stock and futures exchanges you need, connect a funded broker to leverage their live feed, and rely on the platform's built-in real-time data for crypto. Pick the combination that fits your markets and start trading with confidence.